Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am back with another little 10 by 10 gallery wrapped canvas, and I am going to use the same combination of paints that I used in my previous pour. So I have Folk Art Treasure Gold mixed with mix in my squeeze bottle by Loli Veffy. I have FX Mutant Shift, which is this crazy pinky purpley color. That's this one right here. I have Treasure Gold Blue Quartz, very stunning. Here we have it here. And last but not least, I have Arteza's Deep Green, and I love this color. It is a green, but it's got a little bit of blue to it too. And today I'm going to play with this doohickey. And this is from a kit, basically, that I got from Splash and Color that I'm going to play with. And you can pour the paints in through here, and then you release it, and it goes down. And you can attach one of these to come out of the end. But today I'm just going to play with the end bit. So again, that was Splash and Color. So there were two kind of bottoms that came with it. I think I'm going to use the one that is has a lot more slots with it, just to have fun with it, just to play. Look at that, I've already got it dirty. All right, I'm going to put that in what I hope is the middle. Does that look like the middle? Move it over a little bit. That looks middle. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to start by pouring these paints into this little thing. I already put my base down, as you can see. Artist Loft. White, acrylic. I'm going to go with some gold now. Get some of this FX in there. What a cool little pattern it's making already. I'm liking this. How fun. I think I put quite a bit of white on that one, or white. The Mutant Shift on that one. Just can't get over the names of these things. Put in quite a bit of that deep green. Now we're going to go with the Treasure Gold Blue Quartz. Treasure Gold, Folk Art. More of the Mutant. Down to the last little bit of this. Oop, had a goober on that. Oy. Put quite a bit in that. I'll just do a little bit of that one. I think we're at the end here. I don't think I need any more paint on here. Ooh, looks like I dropped. If you drop, just touch it with your finger and you're good to go. We'll just smooth that back out. There. Problem solved. Okay. So now I'm just going to carefully pick this cup up and see what happens here. Yay! Oh, how fun. Got just a little bubble there right in the middle. So I am going to torch. There, bubble popped. All right. And now I'm going to give this a spin, because why not? Okay, maybe I needed to give it more of a spin. Oh, it went over on that side, this side. Okay. Have to say, I'm very glad the paint's not just flying off all over my floor. Ooh. We got it off on this side. Just gonna center that a bit more. Just want to get it to come off these corners over here too. Excuse me for coughing. Jeez. Just a little bit more. I don't know if I'm going to get that one corner. Oh, it's close enough. Close enough. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to try and find a little bit of this dark paint just from underneath, and I'm just going to do this. Pop that on the edge there. And give it a little spin. Well, it looks like it needs a little bit of help over here too. And there it is. And give it a bit of a better spin. There. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see the shine in this. It is spectacular. All right, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. And again, my light is in the way. Let me show you. I've got to unravel my mic. Look at that shimmer and shine in there. Oop. Ooh. I've got a little bit of lint in there. That's one of the great benefits. See it right there? Bottom right-hand corner of these lights. You can see when you've got something that's in your paint. Oh, I am absolutely loving this. Let me turn off this ring light for a minute and see if that helps you to see any more of the shimmer and shine. And I don't think it really does. Oh, maybe. Oh. All right, I'm going to turn it back on just so that it lights up the picture again. And there we have it. What do you guys think? I have to say I'm loving it. All right. Till next time, thank you for joining me at Kim's Creations.